Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix purple screen problem on your Samsung TV. Fast and easy solution.
Fix 1. Check HDMI cables. Step 1. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the power source. Step 2. Disconnect all HDMI cables. Step 3. Inspect the HDMI cables for damage or dust. Step 4. Reconnect the HDMI cables securely. Try using a different HDMI port if needed. Step 5. Turn on the TV and check if the purple screen is gone. Fix 2. Test other devices. Step 1. Disconnect your current device, cable box, console, or streaming device. Step 2. Connect a different device to the same HDMI port. Step 3. If the screen works fine, the problem is with the original device or its cable. Fix 3. Update TV firmware. Step 1. Press the Home button, Settings, Support, Software Update, Update now. Step 2. Wait for the update to finish and the TV to restart. Step 3. Check if the purple screen issue is resolved. Fix 4. Change picture settings. Step 1. Press the Home button on your Samsung remote. Step 2. Go to Settings, Picture Expert Settings. Step 3. Reset picture settings to default. Step 4. Check if the purple tint is gone.